to make a scrolling backdrop in Scratch. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the choose a sprite. And the sprite that we're going to be choosing is the one that's going to be walking. So you can just go here and search up walking or just walk, and then you'll get all the ones that are walking. You could get the unicorn running, Pika walking, Giga walking, or the bear walking, or Avery walking. I'm gonna go get the bear walking. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go and do paint. And now once you go to paint, what we're painting is the backdrop. The reason that we're not going to the stage and using a backdrop is because the stage doesn't have any motion blocks. So what we're gonna do, that's why we're making it a sprite. So now I'm just gonna go here and move to the square, and I'm just gonna make a kind of grass text, a grass color. Now you can see that mine kind of has a outline, a black outline. We don't want that. So we're just gonna go click here and take the X. So now you can see that our grass doesn't have any outline. So I'm just gonna go here and move it down a bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go here again and put the brightness up. Whoops. Okay, you have to deselect it first, and then you can turn it up. And then you can go to the blue, and now you can kind of turn it up. Okay, so now that's a good color for our sky. It's fine if it overlaps like this, but it shouldn't stick out like this. They should be exactly at that same point. And now make sure that happens with both sides. Okay, so once you've done that, you just want to deselect it. And once we make our code, it's going to be like nothing's happening because they're perfectly symmetrical. So to take away that symmetry, what we're going to do is we're going to switch to the circle. We're going to make the saturation all the way to 0. And we're going to make the brightness all the way till it's like a kind of gray. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to make a circle, and we're just going to move it right here. And I'm just going to stretch it out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the reshape and kind of make it I'm going to make the bottom flatter. And now I'm just going to keep it right here. Okay, so now this rock's there, so it takes away the symmetry. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to make the X 0 and the same thing for the Y. So now they're all 0. Okay, so now you might ask, where's the bear? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to looks and get a go to front, and then we're going to change that to back. And then we're going to go into sensing, and we're going to go into motion. And then once we go into motion, it's going to go to X0 and Y0, and then this is going to go to the back layer. So once it goes to the back layer, this bear would show up, and so will the scratch cat. So we're just going to delete the scratch cat, and now we're only left with the bear walking. So this sprite should move. So it should move. So we're going to go into events and get a motion, and then we're going to get change Y by 10. And then we're just going to make that -10, so it goes the other way. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into control, and then we're going to get a forever loop. Now you can see that it moves to the side. Now once it does that, it's just stuck there. Now we need to change that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into an if, and then we're just going to go into operators. And then we're going to go get a equal, and then we're going to go here. And this is 502 right now. So you just want to make it a kind of blue, and then you want to do Control C. And then you want to go here, and then do Control V. And then that will appear there. So make sure it's actually in this one. So I'm just going to delete this. Okay. So now what you want to do, you have to go into motion. And then once you go into motion, you have to go to the X position and keep that right there. So now you can see that nothing still happens because there's nothing right here. Then make sure you press the stop So if I go all the way back here, so where was it before? 502. So if I go here and do 502, 502, 502. Now we'll go to the other side. Now it's at 29 right now, and make sure it's at 10 with 0. Okay, so now you can see it should go. We're gonna do go to 502 y0. So now you can see it works, but not really because there's a huge blank spot in the middle of the screen. So to fix that, we're gonna go here and we're gonna go and duplicate this. And once you duplicate this, you just want to take the sprite and duplicate this. And then you just want to stop it. And we shouldn't have duplicated this. Okay, so we're going to go to sprite 3. Okay, so now what you want to do is we should actually change something. So it says here, we have to go here and get a go to. So we're going to get a go to. I'm just going to delete this. Go to 0. And now everything will be 0. Now we're going to go here and make the y 0. But the x is going to be 465. So now you can see that now it's like all of it's just connected. And now it's perfect. It's perfect, but the bear should be walking. It's just staying still. So the code to make the bear walk is really simple. You just take the when, green flag click, go to the control, get a forever loop, go to the control again and get a wait 1 second. And then we're gonna do 0, well just 0.1. And then you're just gonna go to looks and get next costume. So now you can see that now the bear is walking pretty smooth. So now the backdrop's moving, and so is the bear. So now it's like the bear is actually moving, and then the backdrop is it's moving with it, and yeah. So now if you want to share it, all you have to do is change it right here and do it something to you can change the scenes and change the character and everything like that. So, but I'm just going to keep it like this, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to delete it and I'm going to name it bear, bear walking. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do C project page instructions. Just watch it, and you can put a few exclamation marks. And thanks to the Scratch character library for the bear. The background was me. Okay, yeah, you could do thank the Scratch character library. Well, we're just gonna keep 2 there. Okay, so the backdrop was me. Okay, now you can just press share, and now you can press share, and now the whole of Scratch can see your the whole of Scratch can see your project. So I hope you guys liked watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!